Alright, so here's the deal. That's pretty much all the coolant that's come out of it. It's not in terrible shape, it's not great. That's it. Every tube is bone dry. I've checked them all in the back and everything. Bone dry. So I think the overheating issue wasn't this water pump. The cooling system just didn't have enough water in it. So I've got my burp funnel all set up. I have my stopper because I don't actually own a proper burping bucket. So we're just gonna burp it because this water pump is not seized at all like Buddy thought, the person I bought it off of. It actually spins very freely. So instead of going through the trouble of putting this new thermostat and housing and new water pump on, this is the one the guy bought. I'm just gonna put the last of the 50/50 I have pressed down. And I also have some concentrate. So I'm gonna close the petcock on the radiator here in a minute. Take this out, put it in some jugs, and go from there. So this is literally all the water that came out of this car, everything. After I broke some tubes to empty those, this is it. Cars hold more water than that, always. And this doesn't even smell the greatest. It kind of smells gassy. It doesn't really look that good now I have it out in the light either, so let's, I'm not going to flush it, but let's put new coolant in and actually burp it properly with that. Smells gassy. Gas is on. Plug back in. Okay, got the oil filter there, or catch pan below. Oh wow, I can get this by hand. And there goes the oil. Hopefully that is catching in the drip pan. And there's your filter. There we go.
Yeah, let's go for it. Oh, this is deep. There it goes. Okay, and then this wing is covered in fucking gear oil. This is hard to do with one hand.
Okay, so now I just have to pump until it starts dripping out of the fill. Okay. You can see there's oil dripping. That means the trans is full. This thing worked, it just took forever.
The motherfucking world is a ghetto, full of magazines, full clips, and heavy metal when the smoke settles. I'm just looking for a big yellow in 6-inch stilettos, Dr. Dre. Hello. Percolating, keep 'em waiting while you sitting there hating. Your bitch is hyperventilating, hoping that we penetrating. You get snating, cause I never been to Satan. For hardcore administrating, gangbang affiliating. MC Winner had you wildin' off a zone and a whole half a gallon. Get the dialing, 911 emergency, you can tell 'em.